Is your Nissan Altima's alarm going off randomly? You're not alone. This is a common issue, often linked to the intelligent key system, the hood switch, or the body control module. First, consider the intelligent key. A weak battery or synchronization issues can trigger the alarm. Try replacing the battery, and if that doesn't work, Nissan dealerships offer free reprogramming. Next, examine the hood switch, a sensor that can corrode or stick, falsely signaling an open hood. A faulty BCM, the car's central computer, can also cause erratic alarm behavior due to software glitches or sensor miscommunication. Understanding these components is the first step to resolving the problem. For a quick fix, try a BCM reset by disconnecting the battery for 10 to 15 minutes. This can clear error codes. If the hood switch is the culprit, replacement is relatively straightforward and inexpensive. You can find replacement switches for $20 to $50. Many owners are turning to aftermarket solutions like BCM reset kits and OBD2 scanners for diagnostics, saving on dealership costs. However, if the problem persists, especially with older Altima models, it may be time to consult a mechanic. In cases of BCM failure, replacement is often necessary, costing around $400 at a shop. While DIY fixes can be effective, don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed.